Here's Dream by WOMBO app. So what you can do, you can just tap on the plus icon and you can use your camera. So tap select image, and in this section when you select your image you can have like camera, and then you can give access to the camera. Enable Dream to access your camera to upload your photos of the creation of dreams. So yeah, like the camera is a bit hidden here, so not a lot of people can find it, but that's how you give access. Then of course you can change the direction of camera. It can be like front or opposite, and then you can just take a photo or you can use your selfie, and then you can just adjust influence, and then you can just basically you can just select style or no style, and then you can just generate image. So you can just generate image from your camera. So you are traveling somewhere, you took a photo, and instantly you can generate some AI artwork from that. Of course there are some bugs, or you can use it to generate selfies. But yeah, this is basically how you give access to your camera in Dream by WOMBO app. Oh no. So it's not, this one is not that, so you can see here there is some okay, so this one is not the best one, but yeah, you can play with it.